In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Foreground Select tool in GIMP, a great tutorial for beginners who are looking to enhance their photo editing skills. Let's dive right in and explore how to effectively use this versatile tool. First, we start by choosing the Foreground Select tool. In GIMP, this is found in the toolbox on the left side of the workspace. Look for an icon that looks a bit like scissors or a dashed line surrounding an object, and click on it to select the tool. This tool is crucial when you wish to isolate a subject from the background, allowing you to manipulate the selected area independently from the rest of the image, whether you want to apply filters, change colors, or simply highlight the subject. Mastering this tool is an important step in the editing process. Once you have selected the tool, the next step is to roughly outline your subject. With your cursor, begin drawing around the edges of the subject you wish to isolate. It's important that you don't worry too much about being extremely precise at this stage. The goal here is to make GIMP aware of the general area where your subject lies, which will inform the program to focus its efforts on this part of the image. Keep in mind this doesn't have to be perfect right now. Think of it more as a rough guideline. After you've created your outline, the next thing you want to do is paint over the foreground. At this point, you will notice a color change on the screen, which is an indication that you're on the right track. Use a brush to paint inside the rough outline you've created. While painting, you will see a preview mask forming over your subject. This mask is essential as it signals to the Foreground Select tool exactly what you want to keep. Make sure you cover the entire area you want to keep, as this will affect the accuracy of your selection. When you're satisfied with the mask, it's time to hit apply. You'll see that your subject is now isolated from the background. However, it's normal to have a few rough edges or bits you've missed, so don't worry. This leads us to the final step, which is refining the selection using the eraser tool. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox and work along the edges of your newly isolated subject. If you find any spots that need refining, simply erase them gently, making sure to create smooth and clean edges around the subject. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to use the Foreground Select tool in GIMP. With this, you can now manipulate parts of your image independently, opening up numerous creative possibilities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Feel free to practice and experiment, as mastering these tools will greatly enhance your editing capabilities.